Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my plum pie. Yes, indeed. I'm going to make a ginger plum pie with a whole wheat crust. Yes, that's what I'm going to make today, so I'll be right back. All right, to do our filling, we have our plums here, and I'm going to say it's about 2.5 cups of plums because we're making a small pie. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of sugar because they are not sweet. Plums are not sweet. They are juicy, but they're not sweet. So we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. We're going to add a stick of butter. And we're going to add some lemon juice. Lemon juice helps the tartness taste good. And we're going to use some ginger. Maybe just a little ginger. Not a lot. Just enough to have that ginger taste. And then we're going to use about a spoonful of cornstarch. About like that much, y'all. And we're going to stir that together. Blend this together. And this is going to be our filling. And we're going to let it sit for about almost 30 minutes. To 15 to 30 minutes so it can have a little juice going on with it. You know, all this blends together. Add a little salt to it, just a little salt, not a lot. And we're going to blend all this together and let it sit there. Look how juicy it's getting. That's what you're going to know that it's a good pie when it's looking like that. Okay, we're going to let that sit and then we'll get our crust out and we're going to start working. We're going to be 1.5 cups of wheat flour. We're going to put the sugar and the salt. And we're going to add 2 sticks of butter. Yes, indeed. 2 sticks of butter, y'all. It's going to be good. Don't be looking at it like, oh, that's too much butter. But this is going to be a wonderful pie crust. We're going to make sure this is clapped on so we can post it. Let's see, that'll be on before we can post. Let's see. Make sure it's on, y'all, right. Okay, I don't have it on right. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Now we're going to press that like that. You see it get together. Okay, we're going to add more water, cold water. That's going to be about 1 cup of cold water. And then we're going to add some butter. More butter. Yes, indeed. We're going to add some more butter, y'all. And this in the freezer. It's cold butter. So that's a total. This is cold butter, y'all. Froze in the refrigerator. In the freezer, excuse me. And we're going to press that. Get it like that. We're getting it together, y'all. Just like that. It's a regular kitchen, y'all. I would tell y'all this is a regular kitchen because it is a regular kitchen. Okay, we want this butter to look just like marble, you know, and the floor alike. So we're going to make sure it's pressed all up in here just like this. Okay. And this is a crust. This is a crust, y'all. We're going to put this together. All together. y'all don't want to hear me doing this, so we're going to finish and we'll be right back. Alright, we took it out the blender. What we're going to do is roll it in a ball, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes so it can get chilled, so we can be able to work with it, because it's too sticky to work with it now. So what we're going to do is put it in this pan, in this little pie pan right here for a minute. And we're going to do the other one the same way, because we're going to make this a little square. This is going to be a square one. That's going to be the round one. So we can make it into a pie. So what we're going to do is make this square, because this is going to be our lattice work. Yes, I'm going to lattice work again, y'all. So we're going to put this square-like, and we're going to put it in this also. So we're going to make sure that we have this cold, because you can't work with it when it's too moist like this. And we'll be right back after this sits in about an hour, maybe 2, and we'll come back and roll it out, and it's perfect the way we're going to do our pie. So I'm going to show you how to do our pie filling. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it get cold or chill, and we'll be right back. Alright, what we're going to do now is make our crust. We're going to put some flour on the cutting board, on the counter. We're using a round one. We're going to put this back in the refrigerator, because we're going to use this later. Put this back so it can stay cold. So we're going to roll this out. It's just easy to work with. I'm going to roll it out, make it round. This crust is really delicious, y'all. Round it out. Round it out just like this. If you never ate wheat crust, it is nutty and it's tasted roasted like, y'all. Just over like that. And then our plate, what I do with it? Oh, I use it for I use it to put our crust in. Crazy me. Okay, that's ready. So we're gonna kind of roll this out like this and roll it in this like that. Like that. Okay, we're going to leave it just like this, because we're going to put our lattice work on top. So what we're going to do is make sure this is firm around. Get a knife and cut it around. Let's see. Just around like this. I can do it without the knife. Too many dishes to wash. Okay. So just like that. Now that's what we need for our crust. And we're going to do a lattice work, y'all. Again, first we're going to put our mixture inside. Just like that. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I'll put this in the sink. A plum pie, y'all. And we're going to do some more lattice work here on the square. Because this is going to need a lot of lattice work, because it's a bubbly pie. So, look at the marble of the butter. That's going to be so good, y'all. So, so good. Okay. Okay, then we're going to do it like that. Shoot this down. And we're going to cut it. And strips. We're going to try to cut it even now. Even strips, just like this. You know, it's going to be hard, but we're going to try to cut it even. We'll need about probably as many we can get. Let's see. My straight cut, ain't I? Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this, y'all. Now we're gonna put this way. See if y'all in the camera. And we're gonna tuck it on there, but once we're gonna get this out, let's see. One this way. Cut them off at the end. One that way. How about 4? We need 4 more. That's short like that. Now this has to have lattice work on it. And we're gonna lay one. I'm gonna do another one. And I'll be right back, so we'll do the other ones. All right, I'm back. Had to roll out another. Well, I had the same one, but I had to roll it out again. So I had to cut it in order to get 4 pieces. I used some of the bottom crust, and I got some of the one that I already had. So we're gonna just cut this like this. We all learning together, y'all. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is fold these back. Let's see. We're gonna fold these back like that. And we're gonna add one here. And let's see, fold these back a little bit further back. Add one there. And fold these back like that. Fold this back like that. And we're going to fold these back as well. Okay, just don't be patient with me, y'all. I'm going to cut this like that. I'm going to fold that back. And I'm going to put one here. And one here. I'm going to fold this back like that. Now I'm going to light that one, so we're going to use another one. I'll get another one right here. Get it kind of even. And we'll put that back like that. Okay? And what we're going to do, like that. Now we want egg wash. It looks a lot better, y'all. Then I'm learning how to I'm learning how to put that lattice work on, so we're not professional at this place. We're just learning together. And we're gonna put this in the oven till it get brown. Brown, maybe about an hour and a half. We're gonna make sure we get this egg wash on it real good with a little water in there. It's messy. It's made out of wheat flour. So I'm going to cut a little piece of it. I'm going to put the rest in the freezer so my kids can eat the pie. Okay, you know, the first piece is going to be kind of hard to get out of there. Ooh, wow, look at that now. Now that's what I like. I like that right there, y'all. This is what I like. This right here. Let's see. This is juicy. First piece gonna always be messed up, y'all. So don't worry about it. Let's taste it. It's plum pie, y'all. It's tart. Sweet. Mmm. Sweet. Mmm.